Hello, students. I am Dr. Ritu Agarwal and I am back with another session on punctuation marks. Yes, in my earlier session of the punctuation marks, we saw what are punctuation marks. Punctuation marks, they are basically used in written mode and they make an idea readable. It means they actually give sense to the sentence. एक sentence की क्या मीनिंग है वो बिना पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स के अधूरा है. हम नहीं समझ पाएंगे कि एक सेंटेंस क्या मीनिंग बता रहा है इफ़ देर आर नो पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स यूज. अगर हम पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स का इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे तो वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ अ सेंटेंस. सो वी लुक्ड एट इन द अर्लियर सेशन वी लुक्ड एट various punctuation marks. We looked at the full stop, comma, and inverted commas. So we looked at the usages of these three punctuation marks in the earlier session. We found out how full stop is used at the end of declarative and imperative sentences, how comma introduces a pause in a sentence, and how inverted commas are used for the quotes or for quotations of a person or a quote within a quote. Now we will look at the fourth punctuation marks, which is very widely used, that is the interrogation mark or the question mark. So the sign of an interrogation mark or question mark is used after a direct question or a tag question that is appended to a statement. Now what is a direct question? For example, do you know her? It is again followed by a question mark. Is he sleeping? A question mark. What are you doing? A question mark. Now what do we mean by a tag question? Now, a tag question is something that is attached at the end of a statement. For example, you are intelligent, aren't you? Now, this aren't you is a tag question and it is followed by a question mark. He is hungry, isn't he? Again, there is a question mark. So, हमें क्या पता चलता है कि question mark is used at the end of a direct question. जब भी कोई question पूछा जाता है तो उसके end में question mark लगेगा, या फिर कोई tag question, अगर कोई एक sentence statement है और उसके बाद में हम एक tag question लगाते हैं तो उसमें भी हम किसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं? Question mark का. Now we will look at the fifth punctuation mark, that is the exclamation mark. So the exclamation mark is used in phrases and sentences expressing sudden or strong emotions or a wish. तो exclamation marks कहाँ use होते हैं? This exclamation mark is used ऐसे phrases में, phrases भी हो सकते हैं या फिर कोई sentence जहाँ पे आपको sudden और strong emotion या फिर wish express की जा रही है. Now we can have certain examples. May you live long. Now this is an entire phrase and we will end this phrase in an exclamation mark. Now what a beautiful car. Again we will use an exclamation mark in this phrase also. How far the moon is. Oh, I lost my pen. Now here exclamation mark is not at the end of the sentence. यहाँ पे एक word है जो emotion express कर रहा है and that word is oh. Yes, it is an interjections and in interjections के बाद हम exclamation marks लगाते हैं. Similarly, bravo, you won the match. Again it is an interjection, bravo. So we put exclamation mark after this word. Hurrah, she is here at last. So we can see that we can put exclamation mark at two places. Either at the end of the sentence, जैसे कि पहले 3 सेंटेंस में दिख रहा है कि हम exclamation mark है तो आखिरी में लगा सकते हैं, or we can either put it after the words, certain words which expresses emotions. For example, interjections. Now we will have a look at the sixth punctuation mark, that is capital letters. So capital letters are widely used. They are used for various purposes. हम capital letters का बहुत ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल करते हैं. For example, we start a sentence with a capital letter. So the examples are, we will live together. Now the very first word and the very first letter W, it will go in capitals. Similarly, I am your best friend. Again, I being the first word of the sentence and the very first letter, then will be in capitals. Capital letters are also used to begin a sentence inside inverted commas. Inverted commas के अंदर का जो पहला शब्द होगा उसका पहला लेटर भी कैपिटल में होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही सेड, I like to read books. Now the very first word inside the inverted commas is I. Inverted comma में सबसे पहला word आ रहा है I. The manager said, come in my room. Now again the word come is there inside the inverted commas, the very first word, and the very first letter is C. So we will put I and C in capital letters. Now they are also used to begin a proper noun and the adjectives which are formed from these proper noun. So capital letters का इस्तेमाल एक proper noun की beginning के लिए भी होता है, जो कोई place, person का नाम बता रहे हों, और उन proper noun से जो adjectives बनेंगे वो भी capital letters में लिखे जाएंगे. For example, I like visiting Italy and Italian pizza is my favorite. Now here Italy and Italian, I of both the words will go in capitals. Italy being a proper noun, Italy proper noun है और Italian इसी proper noun का adjective form है. Next example is though Shakespeare wrote both sonnets and plays, but Shakespearean plays are still recreated by many writers. So in this particular example, you can very well see where is the proper noun. Yes, it is Shakespeare, and the adjective and the adjectives. Adjective made by this proper noun is Shakespearean. So S in both will go in capitals. We also use capital letters to refer to a person's title or degree. किसी इंसान के कोई टाइटल अगर हमने दिया है किसी इंसान को, किसी पर्सन को, या उसकी कोई डिग्री है, it will also go in capitals. For example, Pandit Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Now here the title given to the Jawaharlal Nehru is Pandit. So P will go in capitals. Now Dr. R.P. Parikh, an MD, is an expert in diabetics. Now here doctor is the title and MD is the degree. So all these things will go in capitals. Now it is also used to refer to the names of festivals. Now this we all know. So in order to indicate the names of any festival like Christmas, Holi, Diwali, Dashera, it will go in capital letters. So Christmas falls on 25th December. So C of Christmas is in capitals. And the most important festival of Hindus is Diwali. So the D will also go in capital letter. Now we see the usage of capital letters in the names of days, writing the names of days, months and events. For example, on Sundays. So if we are writing the name of any day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the initial letter of these days will always go in capitals. So on Sundays, all shops remain closed. So S of the Sundays will be written in capital letters. I was born in June. Now J will go in capitals, being the name of a month. And the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place on 13th April 1919. Now J and B of Jallianwala Bagh will go in capital as it is the name of an event. And in April also A will go in capital because it is the name of a month. Capital letters are also chosen to refer to the word God and the pronouns replacing it. Capital letters का इस्तेमाल God शब्द के लिए भी इनिशियल लेटर को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए होता है, और जो भी प्रोनाउन गॉड को रिप्लेस करेंगे उनको भी हम कैपिटल में लिखते हैं. सो गॉड इज़ ग्रेट. सो G of the God will go in capital letters and no one knows his ways. Now his here represents God only. So H of the his will go in capital. He is like a god to me. Again G will go in capital. Now it is not always that whenever the word his will come, we will put it in capitals. ऐसा नहीं है कि जब भी his शब्द आएगा तो हम हमेशा उसका जो H है उसको कैपिटल में लिखेंगे. Here we are writing it in capitals because here यहाँ पे यह शब्द God को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, इसलिए हमने इसके फर्स्ट लेटर को कैपिटल में लिखा है. Now capital letters is also used in the words of exclamations. जो हमने देखा था कि ये जितने भी interjections होते हैं, ये exclamatory जो words हैं, इनका फर्स्ट लेटर हमेशा कैपिटल्स में जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अलास, ब्रावो, हुर्रा, ये वर्ड्स कहीं भी आएंगे, इनका फर्स्ट लेटर will always go in capitals. And the last one is the personal pronoun I is always written in capital letter. जो personal pronoun I है वो कहीं पे भी आए वह हमेशा ही कैपिटल लेटर्स में लिखा जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई विल गो इफ़ आई गेट्स द चांस. आई यहाँ पे बिगनिंग में भी आ रहा है, आई यहाँ बीच में भी आ रहा है, बट एवरीवेयर वी विल राइट इट इन कैपिटल्स. ही एंड आई आर वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स. अगेन आई विल बी इन कैपिटल्स. सो वट वी कैन सी फ्रॉम दीज पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स, जो अभी हमने 6 पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स पढ़े हैं, दीज आर द बेसिक पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स विच वी यूज़, and hope you will find this session very informative. Thank you.